Hey YouTube, ChesterBoy Reviews here with another Space Elite review. This time I'm going to be reviewing the final mech, which is the Uranus, Uranus Saber. If I can, pronounce the planet name in an appropriate way. So it can be like Uranus or Uray. Now it's like an X-ray, like ray and X-ray. Yeah, Uranus. That's what it's supposed to be pronounced. So this is the Uranus Saber. As you can see, it's basically a battleship, and it's very, very big. And this is called the Neptune ship. That's what it's called because of the. If I can show it off here, as you can see, that's the symbol for Neptune, the planet symbol, just the trident. So, and yeah, this is a really, really massive toy, really big. Now the one thing that stands out is this dragon head here. And I just looked at it, it's like, oh, I see there's like side fins on the side. So this is actually a sea dragon. Okay, so that makes sense. Since, Neptune's the god of the sea, if I'm correct. I'm trying to remember my gods, so. Yeah, I think Neptune is the god of the sea, I think, yeah. The ocean? Rather, I don't know. But, so there isn't much going on with articulation-wise. Like, the cannons do move, but they do get in each other's way. So, nothing much there. You can move this. I mean, this big crane arm thing here, which does have a purpose for the final combination. And of course, there's just two pegs here. You can actually plug the Dreamfighter onto here. So just like that. Actually, I'm also take this off. So they do tab on like that. And just plug them on like that. So the Dreamfighter has a better, more secure place to store. So yeah, that's actually pretty neat. So, all right, this side. So let's transform it into Uranus Saber, or whatever you pronounce that word. But okay, so let's start. So this is gonna be a parts former, so you can tell. So first things first, remove the dragon head, set this aside. Remove the crane arm. That's the side. Take this off, and take these cannons off. Just bumped the camera. Sorry. You can see there's the head right there. So separate this and separate that. So there you go. The ship's decapitated, but we'll put them together. So start what was the back of the ship. So basically, fold these up and pull these out like this. When you pull these down, they'll automatically spread if you separate these. You can see they actually separate by themselves. So, okay, so those are the legs. Alright, so come up here. Take what was the middle of the thing. You can see that's the Cosmo Saber's head. So fold this up. Lift the visor up. It was like this, but now it's like this. And we just plug it on top. Oh. Yeah, that's the one problem I have with this thing. It might be like everybody else's. That the legs do collapse if you just try to put too much pressure on it. So it's like if I push this down too hard, it collapses. So you kind of have to hold the legs in place and put this on. So it's okay. It's not gonna push you away from the toy. So it's still cool. So again, flip the visor up, and then go ahead and take the one that has the star decal and just plug it onto. Plug it like that. So pretty neat. Then we can take the hull, the front, fold these down, separate them. As you can see that one of them's up and one of them's down, so this one has to go down like this. So you can go ahead and actually, first things first, I have to put the cannons up here. Same on this side. Like that. And This one goes on here. And this goes up here. It takes a lot of force in order to push them in. Okay, let me go ahead and come back here and actually plug the crane arm. So fold that down. So plug like that. So it becomes like a third leg, sort of. And for the dragon head, fold the siphons down like this. Fold the peg down. Then fold these antenna down, and it just plugs onto the chest. That's kind of reminiscent of the Red Dragon Thunder Zord, if I can remember the name is, that Zord from Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Season 2. Yeah, that's kind of reminiscent of that, but again, not a ripoff. So then you have Uranus Saber. And why is it called Uranus Saber? Well, the head crest up here does resemble the planet symbol for Uranus. So yet again, I'm gonna repeat myself. It doesn't matter which way you pronounce that planet name. All right. I know it's a lot of pronunciations for that, but anyway. So, and again, this is a really nice figure. And yet again, they put Bandai to shame. Thank you, Auldey. Good job. So, again, it's very nice. Yeah, there's a lot of orange going on here. Nice detailing, though. Nice detail. It's got nice metallic blue, nice silver, nice dark blue, like navy blue. Yeah, and I can show up the face right here. Let me focus. One thing is you can actually see the eyes, and they're green. The eyes are green. It's actually pretty cool. They just pop. That's it. All right. And yes, this guy's a big dude. Now for size comparison, here he's next to Hound, Voyager class Hound. And if you count like his head, it comes up to like right here, up to where his waist and legs are. So yeah, just a quick comparison. Okay, so just like I did with Galaxy Saber, I decided to move him, do the combination down here because how big and humongous that Cosmos Saber is going to be, which is the final combination between all these guys. You can see from the left here, that's actually all the parts from Galaxy Saber. So you're going to prep up halfway Galaxy Saber. Then just make the green Zord become the feet, the Shadow Dish, and make the arms of Solar Saber become the thrusters right here. And of course, this was the waist piece. Just leave it on here. So just do it so it's halfway Galaxy Saber. So let's prep Uranus Saber. So actually we're gonna set them off the side right now. First things first, we're gonna take the cans up here, the ones that look like this. Set these off the side. We can come here and take the dragon head off, and we can prep this right now. So fold these up, fold the fins out so like this, and of course also fold this tab up like that, so you can hear it click into place. So that's done. All right, you come here and collapse the legs and take the arms off. They're pretty tight. Ugh. Whenever the arms are like this, you can fold this one upside down and push this tab down. And then come over here, and fold this out. So you have like a little hook connector right here. And we can go ahead and take this and this, and you plug it into this hole right here. So like that. And you can go ahead and plug the cannon on. So, actually, you know what? We're going to plug that later on. So, okay, this is the left arm. The right arm, do the same thing. Fold this tab down, come under here, fold this little hook out, and take this arm and plug them like that. So there's the right arm. We can set off the side. Then come back here and plug this out. Pull this out. And this is where it's going to become the weapon. To take the handle piece that was for Galaxy Saber, and you can plug it onto this set of clips right here. So, set of clips right here that's on the hinge. So like that, you can hear it click. And for the claw, this is where the rocket that was Solar Saber's weapon. This gets plugged on here. And remember I said in my Galaxy Saber review where there were these little spring-loaded tabs were missing? But this is a high praise for me. I'm going to say this was a high praise for me, that it actually uses friction and it's really tight. So it's actually not going to fall off. So that's actually pretty lucky for me. So, okay, so I can actually do this review finally. So, okay, that's the staff. So like that. We can take this one that has the star, plug that off, and then go ahead and just fold these out. And I'm going to go ahead and just plug the arms on. So this this arm will plug onto here, and this is really tight. So make sure it's like that. We can take the other arm and plug this on. And this takes a lot of force to put it on there. It's scarily tight. So just gonna make sure that the star is upside down. So that's the arms, the chest. Let me come in here and just take the torso part off. And all right. So we go in here and fold this the one that has a little circle in there, fold that down. Turn it backwards. You come under here and fold this out, and fold this back up. Hold the Uranus head back up. Let me go ahead and plug the dragon head on top. You just gonna have to get it in there. So you guys there's a little clipper in there. So you just kind of have to fiddle with it, and it's plugged in right now. So all right, so that's done. Now for the legs, this is going to become a huge jetpack. So I'm also plug these two together. Collapse that. We can reach under here and flip these up. Actually, yeah, fold the feet down, and you can split this in half like this. So it becomes like a huge jetpack, and it's pretty big. And this is going to plug onto the back of the halfway done Galaxy Saber, which I'll shut it off in a minute. Alright, so we're done. Alright, so let's bring this in. So, yeah. Okay, I'm just making sure I'm doing this right. Alright. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna have to bring the camera up a little bit because how big this coming in. So I'm gonna cut off right here. Okay, so I think I got this high enough. Okay, so let's go ahead and assemble this together. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put the what were the legs of Uranus Saber, and this is gonna plug onto the back here. So plug it like this. All right, come on, get in there. There we go. Got that. You can see it's like leaning a little bit, like to the back, and it will. And the weight from the front will help a little bit, so I'll go ahead and do that. So to take what was the torso, you just plug it on top over Solar Saber's head. So now you can't see it. So yeah. Alright, so we take what was the take the chest. Again, make sure the star's upside down, so because you're gonna slide this over these two what were the connectors for Solar Saber. So these two right here. So And you will hear it click into place too, so here we go. I mean, you can go ahead and just put the cans on here. They just go up, they just go in here. Again, they have to go somewhere, so you just gotta plug them on here. So yeah, like that. Then go ahead and go ahead and put Dream Fighter onto here. And this becomes the big chest plate. Alright. Alright, so there we go. We're almost done. And then go ahead and put the staff weapon, or spear, whatever you can call it. And this goes in this hand right here, like that. And there you have Cosmos Saber. So there you have Cosmos Saber. Wow. This thing is massive. And I think my frame won't fit. I think this combination will fit up in my frame if I move back a little bit. Yeah, this thing is big. I mean, it's so massive. And I do love it. It looks ridiculous, but you know, it's not much of a clustered mess like we had in recent years in Power Rangers, like the RPM Ultra Zord, which is a clustered mess on wheels, and of course the Samurai Gigazord, or if you're watching Shinkenger, yeah, Samurai Sentai Shinkenger, Samurai Hao. I mean, that's a big clustered mess. But this is a lot better than those two. I mean, there's not much mechs. It's just all 6 vehicles combined into one. That's it. All 6. That's it. And there's no Pluto, sadly. No Pluto mech. I mean, that would be cool if there was a Pluto mech, but no. Since Pluto is no longer considered a planet, it's now a dwarf planet. But okay, all space stuff aside. So again, this thing's big, and you can see there's the jetpack, and the front actually helps with the weight of it because this thing's a little bit back heavy. But thanks to the front and the spear weapon right here, it actually helps the weight a little bit. So, and of course the Dream Fighter. So yeah, I do love it. It's ridiculous, but it's big. It's massive. I mean, okay. I mean, Auldey, good job. Yeah, Auldey, nice job. So, again, you just put Bandai to shame. You just did. And there isn't much articulation with this thing. All you can do is just move the shoulders here, move the arms here. That's it. That's all the articulation you're gonna get. So yeah, no head, obviously. Yeah, no head. So no head articulation. So of course, obviously, no knees. So no legs. So overall, I do recommend pick up Uranus Saber if you got Solar Saber and Planet Saber. So I got all these 3 from Sir Toys, and so yeah, I do love Sir Toys. I do love their service. So if any one of these guys or all 3 are out of stock, add them to your want list, and they'll find it for you for a reasonable price. So that's what the want list is. So like, if something is out of stock, then Sir Toys will find that item for you, and they'll give you a reasonable price for it unless you buy it. So I do recommend all 3 of these guys, 3 of the Sabers. So Solar, Planet, and Uranus. So thanks for watching all my Giant Saber Space Deleter videos, and I'll catch you next time.